Welcome to Insurance Funda. In this lesson, we are covering Chapter 6 of IC 38. Claims Processing. This is the stage where insurance truly delivers on its promise. Let's understand how claims are assessed, settled, and what you must know for the exam. Claims assessment means checking if the loss is covered under the policy and meets all conditions. Insurers aim to settle claims fairly and quickly. This speed is measured by turnaround time or TAT. For non-life claims, insurers check: 1. Is the loss within policy scope? 2. Has the policyholder followed all conditions? 3. Have warranties been met? 4. Was utmost good faith maintained? 5. Did the insured try to reduce the loss? 6. Final claim amount after considering salvage, underinsurance, contribution, and subrogation. Claims can be: standard claims, clearly covered by the policy; average clause, penalty for underinsurance; catastrophic losses, act of God, events like floods or earthquakes; on account payment, part payment while full assessment is ongoing. Before payment, insurers take a discharge voucher, a signed receipt confirming the claim is fully settled. Post-claim actions vary. Fire claims. Some insured reduced can be reinstated with pro rata premium. Personal accident. Policy ends after claim payment. Salvage. Damaged property belongs to insurer. Under subrogation, insurers can recover paid amounts from third parties responsible for the loss, like carriers for missing goods. Disputes may arise from delays, exclusions, or underinsurance. Many policies have arbitration clauses, a faster, private alternative to court. IRDAI requires grievance mechanisms. For personal lines, customers can approach the insurance ombudsman, whose decision is binding on the insurer. Quick recap. Claims must be fair and quick. Various claim categories exist. Arbitration and ombudsman resolve disputes. Test yourself with these rapid-fire MCQs. Q1. What is not part of professional claims settlement? A. Seeking loss cause. B. Approaching with prejudice. C. Checking insured peril. D. Quantifying payable amount. Correct answer: B. Approaching with prejudice. Q2. A deductible in claims means: A. Insurer pays full claim. B. Insured pays nothing. C. Insurer pays only above threshold. D. No claim is ever paid. Correct answer: C. Insurer pays only above threshold. Q3. Act of God claims include: A. Theft. B. Flood. C. Fire due to negligence. D. Burglary. Correct answer: B. Flood. Comment your score below. Thank you for watching Chapter 6 on Claims Processing. Like, share, and subscribe to Insurance Funda. Don't forget, links to all chapters are in the description. Download the Smart All-in-One Calculator app for more support.